Today
we're baking cookies.
we are baking cookies for our first video.
But we're missing a member, unfortunately,
missing
because she's
Hannah.
in Boston.
Yeah.
She's a rich bitch.
Right? And she's just in Phoenix.
Okay, we don't have chocolate chips, so we're using score bites. But it will still be good.
Yeah.
My hairline is so bad. Okay,
How many
ingredients
does this make? 70?
Damn! Okay, the first thing it calls for
I put 1 cup in the bowl.
3 cups of flour. We currently already have 1 because Owen's cheating.
It's not a full cup, Camden.
I'm not done!
I got you. You got a friend in me.
Okay. Okay, now we got our 3 cups of flour.
We need baking soda. We need 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Okay, baking soda. I'm gonna make brownies.
Do you have cocoa powder?
Yes?
Can we make brownies instead?
Brownies.
Guys, we're switching to brownies. The camera's staying.
Okay, we decided we're gonna make brownies because I saw cocoa powder and I was like, we can put score bites in.
Can I eat these still? I've been eating the whole time. They're really good. They're really good. They're really good.
These are really old.
Yeah, they taste old.
Ew.
Okay, brownie recipe. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Grease and flour a 6-inch square pan. I mean an 8-inch square pan, not 6-inch.
Still in pound house, we're doing this one. It doesn't even
So
say
we need to grease it and flour it. I don't know what flour. Just sprinkle flour in it, I think. Oh, we have to go to the fucking stove. We have to use a large saucepan.
For what?
With butter.
Why can't we just melt it in the microwave? Oops.
Yeah, we can just put it in the microwave.
Okay, here's olive oil. Yeah, so use some.
Okay. You know, we can smell the spray. That was a squirt.
This is a POV of this.
Sure. Yeah, honestly.
Period.
And then you just sprinkle flour in it. I don't know how much. I don't know why I just stuck my hands in this.
Okay, we're too much flour.
Okay. And
Bitch, give a fuck, got a nigga. Big Birkin bag, whole fat.
In New York, I merely rock. Hiding in my socks. Running from a up.
it's not gonna fucking melt in the microwave. Oh! It's like steaming. Okay, that's cute. She's melted. Perfect. Okay, now we need the sugar. We need how much sugar? 1 cup of white sugar. We need a spoon too. I know. We need the eggs. Can we both do? Can we just do one? Here. One teaspoon of vanilla.
Babe, Birkin bands like fancy.
I'm so excited that we're doing brownies instead. I fucking love brownies.
That smells so good.
I fucking love the smell of vanilla. Okay, next we need.
I want a perfume that smells like this shit.
Yeah.
Like, imagine that.
We need a 1/3 cup of cocoa powder.
Kind of smells like the Ariana Grande perfume.
We need a 1/3 cup. I just do half of that.
Is this half good?
Yeah, that's good enough.
Oh, I can't. Whoa.
Okay, guys, so we got most of our batter made. We just need to put the baking powder in. Cameron's currently grabbing that. I'm really excited.
Okay, what? How much? Okay,
Fourth
we
of
need
a-
baking powder now.
1/4 of a teaspoon. Look
But
at
you
this.
can't see my forehead.
This is actually looks so good.
Okay. How much do we need?
1/4 of a teaspoon.
How much?
1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay guys, so now that our batter is completely made, if Cameron wants to mix it, I stole it the whole time. Now we spread the batter into the pan.
Can we eat it first?
Yeah.
It's very runny.
It is really runny. Is it good? Yes? What? Honestly, I think it tastes fine.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
It just tastes very buttery, but that's fine. I think it's because you have margarine, not butter.
Probably.
Which is fine. Like, it's the same thing. And then we need to bake it for, it says 25 to 30 minutes. I know, it seems like a lot of time. Where, here, can I use this thing? Is this what you use this?
Wait.
Oil? Flour?
Flour. So we're gonna add more flour.
Because I feel like it's like it wasn't covering the whole thing.
Mm-hmm.
This is what the pan looks like. Cameron's drinking water. We're gonna put this in there. Okay. No, yeah, it is. You want both? Get a spoon. No. Get a knife. I like this would be worse. Who's this one? I'm gonna wear a white hoodie. Like who? Okay, yeah, I'm gonna actually do this. Make a big pencils. Oh no, big sweaty, big dress, big ass, nice work, make a big mess. What is this? I'm really excited. I'm so excited. I'll say it like these. No, that's us doing it too. So I'll just say that. Yeah. Okay, we're done. Please.
We're gonna eat for a little bit.
Okay, guys, we're gonna put the brownies in the oven.
Yeah. Here, like turn it. Here's the oven. There's a pan in it.
Take the pan out. Well, no, like you can put the other pan in. Just put that on the stove.
What's that pan?
Oh.
It looks like there's nothing in it.
Hershey, you're gonna get burned.
It's really fine.
Okay, we got the pan into the
how long?
oven. Like 25 minutes. It said put it in for 20 minutes and then we'll check. Oh, it's so low.
If anybody needs a maid, like hire me in for.
Is your ramen noodle still in the fucking windows? It is.
Brownies are up in this John. Found a mysterious pen that is on the counter and is going to burn the counter.
Yeah. She's like on like gangster shit. Powerful. What do it? What you will? Whoa. I forgot the words.
Hershey, say hi to the vlog. Okay, boys, this is our setup. We have to take the shit
That's
out
why
of
the
it.
camera keeps falling.
This is our
Our tripod's broken. So,
As you can tell, the kitchen's all clean. Just like don't look behind us.
leave.
What? This is. That was the tape that we used. That was the tape that we used to get the weather.
The weather.
Good to
Come say hi to the vlog. Off the camera. No, come say hi to the vlog.
we burning toast?
We're baking brownies.
Hey, baby girl, what you doing tonight?
It's pot brownies or what?
What? Yeah, basically.
Okay, this is brownie check number 1. This is 20 minutes.
Oh my god.
It's like not coming off, but it's so squishy. Like you can tell that it's
Stop raping it.
It says to wait till it's crispy on the top. That is not crispy at all.
Guys, this is how we plan out our videos.
Yeah, we're just sitting here on the counter.
Oh, it's.
I don't know if we have said, but it's fucking midnight right now. So it's not that bad. But I just wanted to mention that.
We devoured this fucking bowl.
Yeah, I showed them. Okay, there's 1 minute left. The brownie has finished
It
cooking.
kind of looks funky already.
Yeah, it kind of looks funky, but we're gonna let it cool down
Brownie.
because it's still, yeah. But it's done cooking, so that's good. Let's see. Kind of looks a little weird. Shelf thing. Who does bro see?
I know, I'm scared.
Hershey, come here. You're fine.
Who is it?
Of course, someone walked by.
Who's walking by at 12 in the morning? Who is it?
Fucking drove by. I don't know. Maybe Christian's back. Guys, there was no one there. Hershey's just retarded.
Okay, guys, this is the final product. Oh,
It's actually really good.
it's really good. It doesn't look very good, but it does really good.
Not our best creation.
Holy fuck, feel that.
It's still videoing.
I know.
Oh.